Why do they hate us autistics? The focus is on fixing us, diagnosing and curing us, preventing us from being. In the past, they've tried all kinds of things. They've tried torture, sterilization, isolation, and murder. The professor stood up in front of the class and said this: imagine sometime in the near future that the genetic cause of autism had been narrowed down. The genes understood. Science knows exactly what causes autism, and we can detect it in an early fetus. It was an autism test. The doctor could test and report, your baby has autistic genes and will be born autistic. Now the decision: would you abort your baby or not? Here the professor paused and said, how many would have aborted the baby and how many not? Many hands were raised. And for us autistics out there, how do you feel about being deleted from society? This is a scary difference between a neurotypical disease-based model and autistic self-advocacy. We don't want to be deleted. We are people and want to be celebrated, accepted, supported, and successful. Euthanasia and eugenics is still a real threat that autistic people face. Sterilization for autistic children is the parents' decision even today. But here's why they hate us. The difference provides a mirror into which they do not want to look, because it reveals too much about neurotypicals. Next, it challenges if neurotypical thinking is best, which is an entrenched view of ableism. It challenges if the moral framework is correct. It challenges the hypocrisy of society. Don't they lie a lot? It suggests that there is a way of living that might be different. It is not the only way to live. Whatever the reasons prejudice exists, often covert, sometimes blatant, and deliberate hate. More autistics need acceptance. Myths need to be broken. Ableism needs to be eliminated. In the meantime, be careful out there. You were born different to make a difference, and they hate the difference.